Hi, I'm Matt Coley. We're here at AHR 2026 in Las Vegas. Welcome to the Rheem booth, family of brands. What I want to talk about right here is the Centauri XLTH product. This is our universal outdoor unit in our XLTH platform. It's rated for heating capacity down to negative 15 degrees. And when we mount that and match that with our multi-position air handler, we can actually get our temperatures in heating all the way down negative 22, negative 15 degrees, and no shut off in the heating side so we don't lose heating while it's running. Okay, we'll walk over here to our multi-zone. And when we launched our R32 product back in December 2024, we wanted to make sure in our one-to-one application indoor units that we could use them in a multi-zone application too. So what that does, it takes care of the contractor from having to order a different indoor unit for a one-to-one and a different indoor unit for multi-zone. So now the same unit I can put on a one-to-one, multi-zone, and connect it all the way to my multi-zone outdoor unit. Our multi-zone outdoor units are available in a standard efficiency at 5 degrees and also available in our XLTH at negative 15 degrees for heating.